Suction cleaning. The main purpose of this task is to remove any harmful bacteria from the surfaces we are cleaning. Before you start work, check the appropriate safe system of work, including chemical safety data sheet, COSH assessment and risk assessment before commencing the task. Ventilate the area where possible. Clean your hands as per the local policy. Check for cuts and abrasions. Cover with a waterproof dressing if required. Select, check and put on appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment. Please refer to the national standards for healthcare cleanliness. Assemble colour-coded equipment and/or machinery. Using appropriate PPE, prepare the approved cleaning, disinfecting agent according to manufacturer's instructions. Place caution signs. Ensure cleaning chemicals, disinfecting agents are kept safely locked away, either in the trolley or cleaning cupboard at all times, including in between tasks. Check for any damage to the area and report it in line with local policy. If you notice any signs of pest infestation, report as required. The tools you'll need for suction cleaning are caution signs, appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment, suction cleaner, litter picker, waste sack. We'll now talk you through how to suction clean. Safety check the filter bag, cables and plug. If any faults mark the machine as out of use, report this to your supervisor. Remove large items of litter, placing them into the waste sack. Adjust suction cleaner height or tool setting as appropriate for your comfort and safety. Plug in and switch on at the socket. Always plug in at the nearest socket to the starting point. When suction cleaning, use systematic overlapping passes, always being aware of any trip hazards. Pay extra attention to heavy traffic lanes. As appropriate, use the edging tool to vacuum edges and crevices. When finished, unplug and carry out machine safety checks. Dispose of waste as per the local policy protocol. When you've finished the task, check all areas are completed. Correctly dispose of or clean materials used as per your local policy. Always check with your supervisor if you are unsure. Dispose of any waste or debris as per your local policy. If using cleaning disinfecting agents, ensure you lock them away safely. Clean and dry all equipment. Clean and remove caution signs when the area is safe and dry. Store equipment away safely. Charge battery or machinery as per manufacturer's instructions. Correctly dispose of all PPE. Clean your hands. Close ventilation where necessary.